Hi guys, so today we are in Seville. We are going to be going to some different places. We're doing a little day trip. So I'm going to bring y'all along the way. These are the girls.
Hey guys, welcome. I'm like looking over there. I should be looking here. Okay, so welcome to Nia'Mya's vlog. Is there like something that you call your subscribers or no?
No.
I just call them the girls. The girls. Okay, so right now, yeah, like Nia'Mya said, we're in the taxi. We'll bring you guys along the entire day. It's gonna be so much fun. Who knows what we have in store, but we don't know. We'll go where the wind takes us. Yes.
Yeah, I was just about to say, I don't think none of us really did much research. So right now we're just here, we're just vibing, but we're here for a good time, not a long one. So
Yeah.
we about to go.
Oh my gosh, you look so pretty!
You know?
Dude!
The Plaza del Trapino. I'm sorry, I hope I'm not butchering it, but if I am, it's okay. I will do better. And yeah, we still don't know what we're about to do, but we're just walking around looking at the shops and stuff, kind of comparing it to Cordoba a little bit, but we're making our way.
Yes, and let me show you guys around a little bit. So that looks like a castle. Here's that. Everybody's just walking around. There's some horses over there. That's the church.
I wonder about a horse carriage.
That'd be
Also,
fun.
You don't like the little boat things. I think that would be fun.
She's bougie. She wants a horse carriage, a yacht tour.
This is really pretty. That's where we just left out of. So you have to really know how to drive, because if you don't, like, you really won't make it. Like, you won't make it through. Okay, I'm going. We're still on the hunt for food. We just finished taking like some pictures and stuff. But yeah, it's warming up, so I'm glad, because I got to take my jacket off and, you know, catch a little vibe. Not the kiss. Okay, we're now at La Campana. Well, you guys. Okay, there you go. We're at this little restaurant. I got a muffin, and we all got orange juice. And they got some muffins and stuff too. So we got like little light meals just to hold us over while we're walking around and stuff like that. Nothing too heavy. Oh yeah, sorry. A little cafe. Y'all, so that lady literally did not want to dance until like we paid her. Like, we was like, when we walked up she was dancing, but when we got right there, like, she stopped dancing because she was, we didn't understand what she was saying, but I think she was trying to say like to pay, but it's like, we're gonna pay like after you dance. So you begging us to, I don't know if it's different like customs or culture or whatever, but other people, like, we watch them perform first and then like we put money in there and stuff like that. But it's like, she was like asking us to pay, and she wouldn't dance unless we paid. So as soon as like someone else paid, and like as soon as we turned around, literally, like, I turned back around and she started dancing. But that's how people block their blessings, because it's like, we were gonna pay you, but you didn't want to dance unless you were getting paid first. It's like a little bit uncanny, as I always must say, but you know. We just finished talking to this older couple. We were talking to them for about like 20 minutes or so. They were really cool, they were nice, telling us about their jobs and things like that, their daughter and everything. But now we're about to go to this park. We're leaving the plaza and we're gonna do the boat rides, but I heard a little thunder and I got a little scared. So we're just gonna go to this park and chill.
Échalo aquí. Echa más para atrás, lo echa aquí y te suben los patos para arriba. Mira, mira por atrás, mira de...
We are at the park. It's really cute. It's a lot of birds here. There's like this square with all of this water and a fountain in the middle. There's like ducks in the water, little chickies. And then when you come over to this side, there's like a little small water fountain. The water's obviously cleaner over there. You know? It's cute. I like it. It's a nice calm area. If you want to come chill and read a book here, like this is the place to be. And also the weather's not too bad. There's a lot of spots with shade. Like we're in the sun right now just because you know I look good. But there's shade, a lot of shade here too. So it's a really beautiful spot. I'll put the name on the screen if I can find it for real. But yeah. Okay, our food has come. I got penne al norcina. What did you get, Mari?
I got Casio.
Yasmin, what you
I
get?
forgot what it's called, but it's like these big tubes and it has like marinara.
Is it good?
Yeah.
How about you?
Ravioli.
Is it good?
It's yummy actually. I like it.
Okay. You said very unconventional time.
A marinara pizza. I thought that it would come with cheese. It's just marinara, but we'll see if it's gonna be delicious. I hope it will be.
This is what I got. We're gonna have the first try.
Okay. First bite, can. Oh my god.
What's it done on it?
It's good. It could use like one of that. It's good. It's good. And it's raining now, so looking forward to that when we get out. We got some gelato. This is what I got. I got the like caramel brownie one. And then like not all of us got it, but some of us did. It's okay. Now we're at this gift shop. They got some cute stuff in here. I literally didn't get nothing except for like a few keychains for, you know, a few special ladies and maybe gents in my life. Like really just ladies. But yeah, I just got keychains because I got a lot of other stuff already. So that's where we are now. We're probably about to get the taxi soon. Our train leaves in about an hour, but we're gonna see. My water falling on my head as soon as I start. Anyways, we are now waiting on a taxi, y'all. So they have like these little taxi stations like at the end of the corners that you have to walk to, like get in line basically. I noticed that when we first got off the plane in Madrid, but I didn't really think about that here. So we're like literally waiting for a taxi for like 5 minutes, and then they kept pointing like, and we're thinking like they're going for us, and then we missing the taxis, but the whole time like we're just supposed to be in line for the taxis. So we realized that that's kind of like all over kind of thing. So now we got the gist a little bit more because we weren't taking the taxis a lot. We were just walking a lot. So now we're waiting on the taxi. We're now in the taxi about to depart the town, and I think it was a good day here in Seville. I would definitely come back. It was kind of like a more, not upscale, but it was like a larger version of Cordoba, which we've been staying for a few days. And yeah, I think that is all. You all know to like, comment, and subscribe, everything like that. And I'm gonna be vlogging the rest of my time in Europe, so be sure to watch out for those too. This one is more than likely gonna go up first, so stay tuned for the ride.